So, you're thinking about getting a Koho credit card? Good choice. Or maybe you're not so sure. That's cool too. Because let's face it, the world of credit cards is a confusing jungle. You've got rewards, cashback, interest rates, and a million other things to think about. So, is Koho the right card for you? Let's dive in and find out. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what Koho actually is. It's not your typical credit card. It's a hybrid of a prepaid card and a credit card. What does that mean? Well, essentially, you can load money onto it like a prepaid card, but you can also use it to build credit like a credit card. It's a unique approach, right? Okay, let's talk about the good stuff. What makes Koho shine? Well, for starters, it's super easy to get approved. No credit history? No problem. Koho is all about helping people build credit, so they're pretty forgiving. Plus, there are no annual fees, which is always a win. And let's not forget about the cashback. Koho offers cashback on a bunch of different categories, like groceries, gas, and online shopping. It's not the highest cashback rate out there, but it's definitely something. But wait, there's more. Koho also comes with a budgeting tool. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another budgeting app? Really? But hear me out. This one is actually pretty cool. It helps you track your spending and set goals. And if you're someone who struggles with money management, this could be a game changer. Alright, let's talk about the not so good stuff. While Koho is great for building credit, it might not be the best card for people with excellent credit. Why? Because the interest rates are on the higher side. So, if you're carrying a balance, you're going to pay more in interest compared to other credit cards. Another thing to consider is customer service. Some people rave about it, while others, not so much. So, it might be worth doing some research or reading some reviews before you sign up. So, is Koho a good credit card? Well, it depends. If you're looking to build credit, earn some cashback, and have a tool to help you budget, then Koho could be a great option. But if you're looking for the lowest interest rates or the highest cashback rewards, you might want to look elsewhere. Ultimately, the best credit card for you is the one that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. So, take some time to compare different options and find the one that's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.